Hi, my name is Patrick, and this is to inform you that Maharashtra BBA BMS BCA CET forms are extended. This was students who are in 12th standard who have just given the 12th standard exam and want to do their graduation. It is recommended that you fill this form. So this has become compulsory if you want to take admission to any of the graduation courses, the BBA BMS etc. So these are the self-finance courses. Most of the top colleges in Bombay and Maharashtra do have these courses. So I'm sure if you're interested, you should fill the form. Even if you're not sure, my recommendation is fill the form so that you don't lose out on the opportunity. So initially the date was 28 March. Now the date has been extended to 28 March. So 21st to 28 March. So if you really want to do a good graduation course, my suggestion is apply for this course. Almost all the top colleges in Bombay and Maharashtra follow CET, including Poddar and other colleges in Maharashtra or Bombay. So if you are really interested in management as a career, then my suggestion is go ahead. We have put videos on what is management and how is management and different career options post management. You can look at the videos on a portal. But yes, for now, because the date has been extended and you have just given your 12th standard, my recommendation is fill the form. Right? All the best. We'll come up with more videos that will help you. If you're interested, you can subscribe to the channel. Thank you.